Sanibonani guys, igama lami nguGabsile, intombi yomZulu ehlezi khona ke laseLimpopo. Guys, today I just wanna share a little story with you ladies or anybody. So today guys, I just wanna share with you that the thing that we as women, we have to believe in ourselves. Then guys, we have to stop believing in other people's or relying on other people, especially men. Guys, as a woman, I really believe that we can do it. We can do it if we believe in ourselves. Nalento yokuthi sibulawe imihla ngemihla ingaphela, because some of women we get murdered because of our action. I'm not saying I'm better or not relying on people, or relying on people is bad. But the reality thing is that if you really do you really work for yourself, you can make it. So guys, ake siyekeni ukuthi sithembele kwabanye abantu or sibafakele i-pressure ukuthi thina siphumelele. Let us work for ourselves. Into yokuthi uyifundise ukuyimela wena into enhle kakhulu. Awucabange nje usuyithengela wena imoto yakho, uzakhele wena umuzi wakho omuhle, uzenzela yonke into njengomuntu wesifazane oyimele uqinile. Nanoma ngathiwa you are in relationship, but make sure that you are not pushing a pressure emntwaneni wabanye abantu. Naye ungumuntu uyafisa ukuthi ayiphilele. Accept whatever he gave you. Just accept and say thank you. Because some of us, we don't give them anything, but we expect them to give us their thing. Siyazi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane yes sikhule kuthiwa indoda iyondla, but sometimes sekushintshile abondi, and let us not put a pressure on them. Singayimela senze izinto thina ngendlela yethu. Njengomuntu wesifazane, you have to trust yourself. Unamandla okuzenzela zonke into ongazenzela yona. Uyabona? So believe in yourself. The thing that I'm gonna say today ileyo nto ukuthi ake sifundeni ukuyimela njengabantu besifazane, siyeke ukubulawa, because some of us, we use our babies to trap men, of which is wrong. I do have babies. I have 2. Let us stop using our babies to achieve what we want from their fathers. Yebo, masenza njalo sizophila and sizophila isikhathi eside. People, they are dying outside there because of that. Children, they are dying outside there because of that. We use our children to drag their fathers, especially maintenance. I've grown up without my dad. My mom akaze enzisa umuntu maintenance. No. But here I am today. So let us believe in ourselves that we can do it. We can make it by ourselves. Because abanye abantu uhambisa ingane for maintenance. After that, abuye umuntu azobulala ingane yakho. Maybe ahamba esikoleni la ingena khona, afika afune yona ingane efuna ukuyibona, and then aphe something on that thing, thola ukuthi maybe ufake poison, or ethumela abantu bantshontshe ingane yakho bayoyibulala usuyakhala because of your action. So let us watch what we are doing. Yabona? And sibheke ukuthi iy'ngane zethu siy'fakaphi. Singalwi izimpi zethu ngey'ngane zethu. So bafowethu, let's believe in ourselves. Please subscribe down below. If you agree with me, please subscribe down below. I love you. Stay tuned for another video that is coming soon. Love you. Sazi-ke guys ukuthi impumelelo ikulaba ababhilivelayo kuyona ukuthi izoba khona. Basebenze kanzima beyisebenzela. And impela iyaba khona. Uyaphumelela. Ake senze njalo-ke guys. Subscribe down below. Love you. Peace out.